So, this is my beautiful yard. That's Pit. That's Tar Feeder, my YouTube channel's picture. That's Minnie Oster. That's his little sister, Ashley. That's Frankenstein. He's a monster. Obviously, since he's Frankenstein. Oh my goodness, why did you jump on my back? Oh. Anyway, that's Meow-Nourish. That's a kitten that we haven't named yet. That's Meow-Nourish's brother. That's Moon Pie, my dad named him. This kitten right here. Come on. That is Fluffy Furry Ratcan Jack. Okay, that's Minnie Oster. That's his brother, Fluffy Furry Ratcan Fluffy Furry Trash Can Joe.